Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, so I hope you remember what you have learned in previous lesson. You can always go back and watch this lesson again and revise. Alright, now let's move towards today's lesson. Let's learn one more color name. Let's learn orange in Urdu. So in English we say orange, and in Urdu it is naranji. Naranji. Orange, naranji. Naranji. Let's repeat one more time. Orange, naranji. 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 Repeat many times to memorize it, okay? Alright, now let's learn how to say grandfather in Urdu. So here is the thing. In Urdu, if your grandfather is your father's father, we say it differently. And if your grandfather is your mother's father, we say it differently. And same goes for grandmother as well. So let's learn to say grandfather, your mother's father. Nana, your mother's father, your grandfather in Urdu is Nana. Grandmother, your mother's mother in Urdu is Nani. Nani. Then grandfather, your father's father in Urdu is Dada. Dada. Then grandmother, your father's mother in Urdu is Dadi. Let's repeat one more time. Grandfather, your mother's father in Urdu is Nana. Grandmother, your mother's mother in Urdu is Nani. Grandfather, your father's father in Urdu, Dada. Grandmother, your father's mother in Urdu, Dadi. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say who in Urdu. In English, when we are asking about someone, we say who. And in Urdu, it is kaun. Kaun. Who? Kaun. Then, in English, we say which. We ask a question, we say which or which one. And in Urdu, it is kaun sa. Kaun sa. So, let's repeat one more time. In English, we say who. And in Urdu, it is kaun. Kaun. Then, in English, we say which or which one. And in Urdu, it is kaun sa. Kaun sa. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say this is grandfather. In Urdu, it is ye dada hain or ye nana hain. Of course, if you are talking about your father's father, you will say ye dada hain. And if you are talking about your mother's father, then you are going to say ye nana hain. Then this is grandmother. So similarly you will say ये दादी हैं और ये नानी हैं. If you are talking about your father's mother, you will say ये दादी हैं. But if you are talking about your mother's mother, then you are going to say ये नानी हैं. Now let's repeat one more time. This is grandfather. ये दादा हैं और ये नाना हैं. Then this is grandmother. And in Urdu it is ये दादी हैं और ये नानी हैं. ये दादा हैं, ये नाना हैं. ये दादी हैं, ये नानी हैं. Repeat and practice more. Alright? So here this is the end of our today's lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, take lots of care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.